like, I don't know what that is. Ride till now. I think this is Cadillac Avenue. I can't wait for my new battery. There are still no cars here, so I'm not going to turn my electric motor on. Later. Okay, I'm not too tired. Actually, not tired at all. Maybe I could sure use a little bit more comfortable seat if I can find one, but this is pretty damn comfortable. So there's no bicycle trail here. I'd like to ride on the sidewalk if I can. But maybe it's alright to ride on the street. It's a pretty wide street. Let's just go on the street. I could still see people behind me. There's no one behind me really. Still, the street is pretty wide at daytime. So, and there's no one here. So it's pretty safe. West Dalton Avenue. I saw everything behind me and there was no one there. Hey, you need help pushing?
Yeah, I'm just gonna push it over here, I guess, off to the side.
Alright, which way?
I'm just gonna go right there.
Alright, let me get my bike over there. Oh, that's a good idea. Right here's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just get my bike over there so I can keep an eye on it. I want to try it? Yeah, I guess he'll let us through. Alright, get your handbrake? Alrighty. Yeah. Okay, you got a call. Do you want to call your AA?
I don't have to do it.
You okay?
Yeah, I'll be good. I'm gonna call.
Oh, good. Alright, see ya. SMS is over there. Alright, I can slow down here. Very nice. That was the ugly part of the trip. There was a portion there where the street runs with a highway kind of like feel. Right now there's